another piece of good news that you brought to my attention. You've been bringing all sorts of goodies. I think it should be called a good news podcast episode or talk. It's about Social Security office, which has been the nightmare. Could you talk about what the nightmare was and how the nightmare may be ending soon?
Yeah, they just said they just announced Social Security Administration. They just announced that they will be restoring in-person services, including for people without an appointment after April 7, 2022. So again, it's a huge thing. If you don't have Social Security, basically you cannot do anything in the United States. For the most part, you cannot even open a bank account. Like it's
super restrictive, yeah.
Super restrictive. Yeah, it's so restrictive. And what we've seen, for example, you may even put on the forms now they updated the forms, and now you can request for Social Security card directly through USCIS. USCIS is going to transfer this information to Social Security Administration, and they're going to issue a green card. But what we've seen, it doesn't work in 100% of cases. Sometimes it just gets lost somewhere, and Social Security Administration didn't issue the Social Security card. So if this is the case, you have to go actually in person to Social Security Administration and apply there. And during COVID times, they just closed, they shut it down, all the offices, and it was not possible to physically get there. And Social Security Administration, they were saying, yes, please, if you want us to issue a Social Security card, send us all your paperwork, like original paperwork, your passport, your visa, like everything.
Green card and work permit, all this kind of stuff.
Yeah. Yes. And you don't know if it's going to make it to Social Security office, the first thing, and you don't even know that if it's going to make it back to you. And a lot of people were hesitant just to send their originals there, and they were going just without the Social Security card. And so now it looks like it no longer be a problem. So this is the good news as well.
Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.